Git repositories are a great resource, but public Git repositories can also pose some serious risks to your security and privacy posture. This tool, Git landmine, isn't exactly an exploit or security vulnerability. Rather, it reminds you that checking out a random untrusted Git repository in production might not always be the safest approach. So, whenever you're including any Git repo, especially the public ones from the internet, in your production projects, then please double check them in your test or development environment and only proceed when you're 100% sure that it doesn't contain any hidden code or any malicious thing. So I hope that this was useful. How are you approaching this in security focused environment? I'm very keen to learn. If you can share your feedback, that will be awesome. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.